Hallo Leute! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel German from Scratch. And today we are going to learn about ways of answering a common question. How are you? That's right. So are you ready? Let's get started. How are you? Wie geht's? Yeah, so in Deutsch it's wie geht's. And yes, again, there are two different ways of asking this question. It's informal and informal way. So now let's see the formal way first. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Formell. Formell. Which means how are you? Formal. So formally you would say wie geht es Ihnen, right? And the answer to that question would be mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut, which means I'm well or I'm fine. Mir geht es gut. Or else gut, danke. Und Ihnen? Good, thanks. And you? Gut, danke. Und Ihnen? So you can either reply saying mir geht es gut or else gut, danke. Und Ihnen? Ja? Und Ihnen? The question is, wie geht es Ihnen? Gut, danke. Und Ihnen? You can even reply by saying just gut. Gut. Yeah? Gut. Now let's see the informal one. Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? So informal, it was Ihnen. And informal is dir. Yeah? Dir. Wie geht es dir? Informal. Informal. How are you? Informal. Wie geht es dir? Again, dir also means you. Ihnen also means you. But dir is informal. Ihnen is formal. Right? So again, in informal, there is one more way of asking this question. Right? It's wie geht's? Wie geht's? You can either ask this question by saying wie geht's or wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Wie geht's? Again, this means the same. How are you? Right? And you can answer this question by saying just gut or sehr gut. Sehr gut is very good. Sehr gut. Danke. Und dir? Yeah? So if in the question you have dir, answer should be dear, right? It's dear. So it's dear, informal. Sehr gut, danke und dir und dir. You can even say by just saying sehr gut, sehr gut. Yeah, or it's gut, however you're feeling. Gut, sehr gut. It again depends on how you're feeling, right? So this means very good. Thanks. And you? Sehr gut. Danke. Und dir? Or it's just gut or sehr gut. Right? Now let's see different ways of answering this question. Yeah? You might be feeling sad, or you might be feeling just okay, or you might be feeling like wonderful. So now let's see how do we answer this question in different way, right? So let's see the positive answer first. Suppose you're happy, right? You want to express your happiness. How do we express that? So let's get started. Gut, nicht schlecht. Good, not bad. Gut, nicht schlecht, nicht schlecht. Ja, gut, nicht schlecht. Sehr gut, sehr gut, very good, sehr gut. Prima, great, yeah? You're very happy. Prima, you're feeling great. Prima. It's fantastisch, fantastisch, fantastic, fantastisch, fantastisch. Wunderbar, wunderbar, wonderful, wunderbar. Gut, nicht schlecht, nicht schlecht. Sehr gut. Prima, prima, fantastisch, wunderbar, wunderbar, right? So now let's see if you want to express yourself when you're neither happy nor sad, right? You're just feeling okay. Yeah, you're just being neutral. So when you're neutral, how would you answer this question? Es geht, so lala, okay, yeah? Es geht, es geht, which means not too bad. Es geht, not too bad. So la la, which means so so. So la la, like I'm just so so. Or okay, yeah, okay. Es geht, so la la. Okay, so when you're just neutral, you don't have any happy or sad feeling, no such emotion. So how would you answer? Es geht, so la la, or else okay. Yeah? So when you are sad, yeah, how do you answer? Nicht so gut. Nicht so gut. Not too good. Nicht so gut. Nicht so gut. Schlecht. Schlecht. Bad. Schlecht. Miserable. 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 Ja, nicht so gut. Schlecht. Miserable. Okay. So guys, now you know how to answer this question. How are you? So I would like you to answer this question. Wie geht es dir? Yeah? Wie geht es dir? So please answer this question as an exercise and put it on the comment section below. Right? So guys, that's all for today. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Cheers!